my busy homemakers, and how are you today? I am Deb, and you are in the office with Deb, and today we are talking about, we want to get you to stop second guessing yourself on what home organizing project you want to start on next. Now, what are you putting off? Think about it. Are you putting off, you're getting your paperwork off your desk in your office? Are you putting off getting that kitchen pantry organized because you know things are out of place and you got to get them all put back there? Think about that. I am Deb. I am your home organizing and decluttering consultant, and I am here for you. Now, stop second guessing yourself. You're sitting there, and I know you're sitting there going, well, I need to do this. I need to do that. This needs to get done. What do I need? I don't know what to do first. Well, today we're going to talk about that. Now, have you ever seen the movie Under the Tuscan Sun? The lady finds out her husband's cheating on her, and she divorces him, and she's walking around all pouty and stuff, and her friends convince her to go to Tuscany, and she buys this villa out there. Now this villa is nothing but problems. It's falling apart. There's a big windstorm and things fall apart, and she's just walking around with this oomph on her face. She has to get these contracts. She has to find contractors, everything, and she's so disgusted and she's like, and there's a scene in the movie, and this is the main point. The scene in the movie is where her realtor friend, a guy who's married to another, he has his own family. She's single now. He starts a fire for her in her house and gets her heat going for her. And she's complaining to him. She's about crying. Why did I buy this villa? Why did I buy this villa? Why did this happen? I want a family. I didn't want this, and look what happened. I ended up getting divorced and blah, 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 blah. And there's a line where he says to her, they built the train tracks in Vienna before they even knew they needed the train. And she's like, I know you're trying to cheer me up. And she's like, but this is what I want. I don't know. I shouldn't have bought this. Still don't know if I should have bought this villa. So he helps her get these contractors, and they start putting her house together for her. Now, granted, she's still moping around because she's upset. But what happens in the meantime? There's another point in the movie where her friend says to her, would you just stop moping around for so much? You look horrible. You got like this black aura all over you. You need to just go home, put yourself together, and get rid of that sad face. It's getting tired of it. And she's just like, fine. And she goes home. And then she thinks about what the lady said. And then she's going for a walk, and all of a sudden she's got this smile on her face. She's outside, she's enjoying the weather. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, okay. And more things start coming together. She starts cooking for the contractor. She doesn't even realize that she's getting her wish. She wants to cook for people. She wants a family. She wanted all that, and then she buys this big house, 3 bedrooms, nobody to share it with. And her best friend moves in the meantime because she's having a baby and she had a fight with her partner. You know how the movie goes. Now, with your home organizing, figure out what time you got. Have you got 5 minutes? Have you got 10? Have you got 15? Do you have an hour? What do you got? Okay, What project takes the longest? If you got an hour, start the one that takes the most time, and go for it. Go by the amount of time. Let the time determine what you can get done. You need 10 minutes to take the papers off your desk. You got the 10 minutes? Oh, it's papers off the desk. And then reward yourself afterwards with that cup of coffee. Stop second guessing yourself when it comes to home organizing. Go by the time you've got and figure out what project fits that time and say, I'm going for it. It doesn't matter where you start. It doesn't matter if you start on the ceiling, the floor, the cabinets, the pantry, the refrigerator, the stove, one drawer. It doesn't matter where you start. Just stop second guessing yourself. Say, what can I do in 5 minutes that needs to get done? Boom! And that's what I mean about home organizing. Just don't second guess it. Just do it. What's the worst thing going to happen if you pick up the wrong project? Something's going to get done. You're going to get organized. You're going to get decluttered. It doesn't matter what project you pick. Don't even second guess it. Oh, I need to do. No, pick one. Just like I've got my chili recipe ebook out. I've advertised it in my group. I haven't advertised it on here yet. You're interested in that chili ebook? Let me know. I will get it to you. You want some new recipes? Let's get you your new chili recipes. My husband's got my knock your socks off spicy chili recipe in there. He loves that one. That's in there. There's a couple other recipes too. Now don't forget, join Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration. Invite your friends. I hope to see you in the group. Get your friend in, because when we do challenges, you're going to want an accountability partner. And I will see you, hopefully, in the group and on this page. Thank you so much for your time. Let me know, #replay if you're watching on the replay. Bye, my busy homemakers. Ciao.